and then you're going to chain 5. So this first chain 5 is going to count as our first open Y stitch. So it's very similar to the Y stitch you did on the previous round, but this time it's going to have a chain 1 space between it, between the two parts of the stitch, so the top part of the Y. But obviously this is a starting one, so we don't have a treble or a double treble to work into, we've just got a chain. So we're going to yarn over, and then in the 4th chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, just catch 2 loops of that chain. You're going to put a double or a UK treble. So that is going to count as our first open Y stitch. Then you're going to make an open Y stitch in the same chain 3 space. So yarn over twice, you go in, pull up a loop, you've got 4, yarn over, draw off 2, yarn over, draw off 2, yarn over, draw off 2, chain 1, yarn over, double or UK treble through the 2 strands at the base of that post of that stitch you've just made. So now it's looking like this. So can you see how you've got these 2 open Y stitches, and in the middle you've got this sort of double-ended filled Y stitch with a chain 2 in the corner.